wait, I forgot. Hi guys, it's me, and I'm going to be playing Cats or Liquid or Better Place. Now, as you can see, I've actually played this game before. I've done all the levels, but this video I'm going to be getting all the achievements, at least hoping so. I already got some achievements, but I'll just do it again. I forgot which world this was. Not wait. It's number 8, I think. Yeah. Sad. I think I just killed the red guy. I just killed red. Oh god. I killed red. Oh god. I kind of feel bad. He's still here though. Oh. Technical difficulties. What is happening with my button? Come here. See, it's not working. Okay, yeah. I got the achievement, but I'm just gonna finish this level anyway. And as I already told you, I already got some achievements, and this is one of them, so that's why you don't see it right now. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot. Might as well just leave and go to the next one. So 7 and 8. I freaking hate this achievement. Alright, so the next achievement is camera shy. Don't get hit by any eyes. Which is, I suppose, in the entire world. Shut up. Wait, I have a question. Though. If you do a speed run, you won't actually get any of the talking parts. So will you meet your friends in this room? If you're speedrunning. Apparently not. Oh my god, shut up. I guess the way this works is that you have to go through every room without getting hit by any eyes. And if you get hit by an eye, you just restart the room. Or something like that. My god, that's loud. Oh god. Okay, that's just unfair. That's unfair. I pressed the button. That worked. I do not want to go through all that again, please. God. Come on, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Yes. 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 Don't ask me why my nickname is like that. I didn't create it. Okay, we got it. Now we got projectile buffet. Get hit by every projectile once in room 10. Then got hit by that. Got hit by this. Oh god. Get hit by this. We get hit by the last one here. Ow. Get hit by this. Almost dead. but I got it. Yes, it is wrong. Just go. Just go. Where's the achievement? Where did this ad come? I just skipped the ad so that you guys won't have to suffer. What happened to the achievement? So unfair. Well, anyway, the next achievement is... I already have the next achievement. Finish rooms 2 and 8 without picking up any items. The items being this thing. Thank you. I already have the achievement, so I know how to finish it pretty quickly. Yeah, that's room 2. I'm going to room 8. Wait, no, that was stupid. You've gotta be kidding. You've gotta be kidding. I have to do that again. Ow. Why did I agree to doing this again? I just remembered how painful this is. No. No. What are you trying to hit, man? How did I die? How did I do it? Done. That's done. Done. Now we got professional plumber. 7, 8. Oh, this. Stop. I'm not taking my chances. Chances. Oh my god. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. The music in this game is just really good. You gotta be kidding me. The achievement says pipes in room 7, 8, 9, and 10. It doesn't specify that it has to be this whatever that is, electric pipe or whatever. So I'm pretty sure the thing applies to all the pipes, which is why I have to keep on restarting over and over and over again. Thank you. Just let me. You've got to be kidding me. I love this game. I love this game. I freaking love this game. It's so fun. This game is so fun. It's so fun. It's so good. The next thing is Precognition. Don't make any unnecessary character switches in rooms 6 and 7. Okay. 6 and 7. No unnecessary. So I'm going to observe the threat now before turning. What? Oh. I'm stupid. Yeah, well, that works too, right? Yeah, sorry, wait. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Okay, number 7. Or I could fail. I hate. Oh. I did it. Yes. There we go. Now for the next level. 6 with only 2 companion spawns. I know how to do that. I think I know how to do that. So we go, we must. I failed already. Okay, yeah. Okay. I love this game is the best for rage quitting. It's not even supposed to be a rage game, and it's making me rage every single time. Okay. So you just go whole left. Yes. Thank you. Okay, go. We gotta do this fast. Cause I'm stuck. all I gotta do is get there before the time runs out. Which should be easy, right? Please tell me I'm gonna make this. Yes! I did it! I did it. Let's go. I don't know why it's set it like that for whatever. Surgical purposes. Oh no, this is gonna be a pain. So much of a pain. And I do not like pain. How am I supposed to destroy that? Oh yes. No. 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 I hate the permafrost. Finish room 2 while using the ice block once. I already completed it, but I'm gonna do it again. I know how to jump down them. And now we use the ice block. Yep. Okay, that was easy. That's a pretty easy one. Oh, this one is it? Oh yeah, the one I did. Complete room 5. Touching the ground for less than 3 seconds.